High Court sitting in Enugu has ordered the immediate release of Honorable John Ewo, who was imprisoned alongside Honorable Bright Ngene of the Labour Party. Honorable Justice H.O. Eya in his ruling set aside the judgment of the Magistrate Court, which had convicted Honorable Ewo and Honorable Bright Ngene over a communal dispute. Our judicial correspondent Chukwuma Kindness, who was at the Enugu High Court, reported that Justice Eya agreed with all the 3 counts of appeal filed by Barrister B.C. Nwobodo on behalf of John Ewo. Barrister Nwobodo had argued that his client was not given fair hearing by the trial court and none of the written addresses filed before the court was heard.
The magistrate now on the bench gave a ruling refusing the application to be granted and now proceeded to giving judgment. He had prepared a 26-paragraph judgment which was prepared without address. The law is that you must, at the close of, especially in criminal cases, yes, the court agreed because we had 3 grounds of appeal. One was that the trial magistrate was terribly wrong in refusing him, to give evidence. The second one is that at the end of the trial, there must be an address. That's the provision of the law.
And addresses adopted?
Yes, addresses must be adopted. I mean, you have to write an address. The other side will reply before the court gives the judgment. But that day, the court proceeded to giving a judgment without an address from both sides, which was the denial of fair hearing, which the court agreed.
With John Ewo now set free, local experts are of the opinion that the case of Bright Ngene will follow the same precedent since they were both accused of same offense. Honorable Bright Ngene's case will come up for hearing on the 25th of September 2025 after a prolonged delay which observers claimed was politically motivated. Recall that Bright Ngene and John Ewo were imprisoned in June 2024 by Magistrate E.D. Onwu in what has become a very dramatic legal exercise, perceived by many as a political witch hunt against Bright Ngene, who had won the Enugu South Urban Constituency elections.
Judge recused himself from the matter.
Yes, and told us that he's going to take the fight back to the CJ.
The Chief Justice of the state.
Of the state, that he's going to return for reassignment.
And has the case been reassigned till now?
Since 11th of March this year, up to date, nothing has been done. In fact, our son has written to CJ 2 times. He has not replied.
Honorable Bright Ngene, the man that won the House of Assembly seat for Enugu South Urban, have been unjustly incarcerated. Right? Charges that were put on him were baseless. Judicial process were not followed, and in less than 2 weeks, judgment was dispensed. Yes. And the man has been in detention since then till now. Efforts to get this into the High Court that have proved abortive because somehow judges are refusing themselves from the case day and night. The Chief Justice have refused to assign the case to a new judge. So
ATU News 24 will keep you updated on Honorable Bright Ngene's case as it develops.